Hello friends, welcome to Vidyascooking channel. This is Vidya Lakshmi. Today I'm going to be showing you Greek salad my version. The salad is so simple to prepare. We can use all the ingredients that is available at home. So I've already prepped all the veggies and reserved. Here I've chopped all my veggies, cherry tomatoes, onions, cucumber. I've also cleaned my mint, coriander, chilies. I've also dry roasted and reserved sunflower seeds ahead of time. We'll require very less ingredients for this recipe. I'll be using feta cheese. So here I've used samosa sheets. I've fried the samosa sheets and I'm going to be using it in the salad. I'm going to prepare a very simple masala. To a mixer jar I've added mint leaves, coriander leaves and chilies. I'll be using very less mint leaves because I'll also be adding some masala to this. We need to grind this into a smooth paste. You can add few teaspoons of water while grinding this mint paste. Reserve the mint paste for now. In a mixing bowl, I've added all my veggies. We'll start to assemble the salad. In a mixing bowl, I've added sliced onion, cherry tomatoes and cucumber that I have chopped into halves and I've reserved. I've added the mint chutney that I prepared earlier. I'll be adding pepper powder, roasted cumin powder, oil, lime juice, and I'll be using very less salt. We need to combine all these ingredients. Now for the oil, you can use olive oil, sesame oil or mustard oil, provided you heat up the sesame oil and mustard oil ahead of time and allow it to cool down completely, then you add it to the salad. The flavor and taste enhances when you use sesame oil or mustard oil in the salad. Now I'll be adding the sunflower seeds. We'll combine all these ingredients and the salad is almost done. You can use feta cheese here. When you're using feta cheese, please be very careful when you're adding your salt because feta cheese already contains a lot of salt in it and your salad will become very salty. So once you add your feta cheese, just give it a mix and start plating it. Here I've used fried samosa sheets, that is fried spring roll sheets. I've cut it into strips and I fried it. You can use that or you can use pita chips, which is easily available in the market. All the ingredients used in this recipe, friends, along with my social media handlings will be listed in the description box below this video, or you can click the icon above this video which will direct you to my blog. In the blog I posted a detailed recipe. For regular updates, do like me and follow me on Instagram, Facebook and Twitter. Now once I've garnished my salad with the fried samosa sheets, I'm going to top it with mint and coriander leaves, some roasted sunflower seeds, and I'll also crumble and add little bit of feta cheese on the top. This salad is so good and tasty, especially for people who are dieting. This is a wonderful salad. Provided you don't use your fried samosa sheets, baked pita chips. So it is a very nice and healthy salad recipe. Give this recipe a try and post your comments. If you enjoyed watching this video recipe, friends, give me a thumbs up and subscribe to me for more recipes. I'll be seeing you soon with the next recipe video. This is Vidya Lakshmi. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.